Today I'll be sharing with you this mini crochet duck pattern and tutorial. Here are a few notes before we get started. Here are my materials along with a list of them, and we are going to start with 6 single crochet and a magic ring. We will pull it to close, and row 1 is 1 increase in each stitch. I'm going to place my stitch marker right here and continue on with the round. Now row 2 is 1 single crochet and an increase, and this will leave us with 18 stitches. This is what it should look like after row 2. Rows 3 to 6 are 1 single crochet in each stitch, so I will meet you back when I am done with row 6. Row 7 starts off with 9 single crochet. Then we will place 1 bobble stitch. I've written some directions on the screen, or you can follow along with the visual. Now you will single crochet 5, but make sure to pop out that bobble or else it will be on the wrong side. So I just did 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we will place another bobble stitch. Then you single crochet back to the stitch marker. Rows 8 through 10 are 1 single crochet in each stitch. Then we will pause our project to add the safety eyes in between rows 4 and 5, 4 stitches apart. Then you can begin stuffing. Row 11 is 1 single crochet and a decrease 6 times. This will leave us with 12 stitches. Row 12 is all decreases. This will leave us with 6 stitches. Then you can slip stitch into the next stitch, cut your yarn, and stuff your project. Then you can sew the hole closed. Now we will add the orange yarn. Stick your needle through the back of the plushie and bring it through to the front. Crossing over 2 stitches, insert it back towards the back of the plushie and take out the needle from the original hole. You can cut and tie off your strings. Congratulations, you completed your crochet mini duck. Feel free to comment any questions, follow me on social media at @PlushedByAmy, and thank you for watching this video.